Talking about the weather, which basically affects all of us getting ready to go to work, I thought the house is hot. House feels warm. And this time of the year, you're always kind of like,
yeah.
No, it's not going out, is it? Well, it hasn't gone out because the good news is I went outside, I started the car, and I saw the temperature was 92 degrees. And of course, just in case you didn't know, if you knew the area, it doesn't matter how big your air conditioner is, it can only drop the temperature down to like 20 degrees what it is outside.
Yeah.
So I saw 92, 72, it all makes sense. So thank goodness the AC was working. Praise the Lord.
Yes, that's always an issue. Very first.
You're always like, no.
Yes, fingers crossed, but it works.
All right,
yeah.
all right. So Marcus, looks like some more, maybe some showers heading this way, cooling us off soon, but not yet.
Yes, that is true. We could get maybe some relieving showers, Neil and Casey. That would come our way late weekend and early next week from CRISTOBAL. But right now, the heat is going to dominate the forecast over the next few days. Let me show you downtown Nacogdoches atop of the Fredonia Hotel. You can notice a few rings there on the camera lens as the sun is shooting down right on the camera and through downtown. We have puffy cumulus clouds, and the temperature is still warm, 92 right now. Dew point close to 70. It is sticky outside. If you're going to be out and about this evening, just make sure you have plenty of cold water with you ready to go. Other temperatures now, 88 in Mineola. Jacksonville, you're at 90. 89 in Marshall. 91 the temperature in Mount Pleasant. 89 Palestine, and in Hemphill, it is very warm and quite muggy. And this is where we will be again for tomorrow afternoon. All of our temperatures should go up into the lower 90s, but then in the late afternoon or early evening, we'll come back down to the upper 80s. But essentially another very warm and humid day. I cannot rule out an isolated shower, but that chance overall looking to stay low. Let me take you to the tropics. This is also the big weather talker for us now. CRISTOBAL made landfall this morning around 8:30 in the state of Campeche. And you can notice here, there is so much precipitation ongoing over this area. As a matter of fact, CRISTOBAL has produced so much rain. I want to give you some of the possible totals by time this system is done over Mexico and Central America. For the Mexican states, some isolated amounts up to 25 inches, but places like Guatemala, El Salvador, and Central America, where they had effects from this same system when it was Amanda in the Eastern Pacific, we could be looking at rainfall totals there maybe up to 3 feet. That is a lot of water and so much coastal flooding and inland flooding that is happening over this region. This is a tropical storm, still winds at 50 miles an hour. Okay, here's the forecast track, how it relates to you and I as we go into the weekend. It remains a depression. That's what will happen with this storm over the next 24 hours. But then by Saturday, it will begin to re-strengthen back into a tropical storm. Notice what happens by Sunday afternoon, just before landfall. Top sustained winds 65 miles an hour. Could be a low-end Category 1 hurricane. The main concern is going to be heavy rain. I want you to know, though, what we've noticed in the forecast models today is a slight west jog in terms of the precipitation, perhaps moving a little bit closer toward Texas. We're not expecting a landfall in Texas at this time, but what we can expect here in East Texas is some rain to pick up from Sunday into Monday before the system moves out. So there's the 7-day forecast. Hot weather the next few days, and then we'll see our storm chances pick up on Monday. Then they go back down on Tuesday and will warm right back up. Deep East Texas also with very warm weather again for tomorrow and through the start of the weekend, but your rain chances from CRISTOBAL will get started on Sunday.
Marcus, thank you.